Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Fight the Germs, and I'm also reading this because, well, the coronavirus pandemic is going on, so we should as well be washing our hands because it also shows it on there. And yeah, the germs also go away because you wash your hands. Don't forget to use soap as well. It was the morning of Mona's birthday. Millie and Milo woke up extra early to run to the window. Happy birthday, Mona, they sang towards their... Happy birthday, Mona, they sang together towards their neighbor. Thank you. Mona's smiling face appeared at her own window, which is over there in her treehouse, I think. I wish I could invite you both to my party, but we aren't allowed because this whole lockdown situation. Millie and Milo were sad too. You see, they had been looking forward to watching Moa open her present and sharing her cake with them. Why don't we have a virtual party with you, Millie suggested. Mona squealed with excitement. That sounds great. Let me show you what I made this morning, Milo said, running inside to retrieve something. Your turn at lightning speed. Now hold this paper model in my hand. This is a virus, he declared. Viruses are actually so small that they're invisible for the human eye to see, but they're so powerful enough to spread across the whole world. Milo was a very clever boy. Mona ran inside and called Millie and Milo from her iPad. Their smiling faces popped up on her screen. She picked up a bouncy ball with her tentacles on it that her dad got her as a present. Then she walked over to the globe in her living room and bounced the ball, letting the globe spin. Look at the virus. It had traveled the world, she said. Millia's mom heard the kids talking. She came in to say hello. What's up, guys? Sound like you're having some fun here and happy. And happy birthday, Mona. Thank you, Mona replied. We're playing while maintaining a social distance. That's a great idea, Mama said. Could you tell us a little about how viruses travel, Mama? Milo asked. Of course, Mama said, sitting down next to Millie. Viruses usually spread through the nose and mouth, so when someone coughs or sneezes, it can pass to people near them. If someone with the virus touches things like doors, and the virus can spread that way too. Oh no, Mona cried. No, now more worried than ever. I want to stop the virus from spreading. But how can I do that? Millie asked. Do you know how? Mama said good hygiene and social distancing is the key. Keeping your hands away from your face and wash them frequently. One great technique is to sing the happy birthday song for 20 seconds while you clean them. And if necessary, remember to cough into your arm to prevent the germs from spreading. No handshakes, no fist bumps, no high fives, only waving, Milo added. And no going outside unless you have to, Mona chipped in. Mona sighed. Viruses seem so strong and powerful. When will they go away, and when can we get back to playing outside? Well, I have one answer to that. That can only happen when there's a cure, which is still not found for the coronavirus yet, which is sad. We're all dreaming of meeting up with friends and playing in the park again. Viruses might be strong, Millie admitted, but together we are stronger. That's very true, Mama said. Doctors and nurses are treating people who have the virus as we speak. Experts are fighting it. Scientists are fighting a cure. We do our best to help them by keeping clean, social distancing, isolation, and staying safe indoors. Wow, even though this virus is awful, we're still coming together and fighting as one, Milo exclaimed. The children gathered around the sinks in their houses and sang the happy birthday song to Mona while washing their hands. Once they were all safe and clean, Mona cut her birthday cake while Millie and Milo watched and smiled all over the video call. The world keeps turning because we work together. Together we are strong enough to overcome any challenge, even awful viruses. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Wait, before I say bye, I just want to say this again. People who are younger, like younger than elementary school, like they're normal because only one person died from in that age. So you're all safe if you're that age. A little over, you're still the same. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!